Hello, today's tutorial is going to show you how to do this reverse single crochet stitch, which is what you see at the edge of this. I think it's a very cool, unique looking edge stitch. And I guess this is what left-handed crocheters feel like all the time. So I'm just going to undo it here to show you how I start. So I just finished a row going like I usually do around, and I am going to finish my row off here so you don't have to worry too much about what I'm doing. But I'm going to chain one, and now instead of continuing on this side, I'm actually going to stick my needle into the very same stitch and do a single crochet. And then I'm going to stick it into this stitch behind. So I'm going to be sticking it here behind, wrapping, pulling through, and doing like a normal single crochet. Oh, and then my yarn got all twisted, so I'll show you one more time. I'm actually going to use a larger needle just to show you, because it is a little bit tricky. So to make the edge finer, I usually switch to a smaller needle for the final round. But just so you can see it clearly, I'll do it with the larger needle. Okay, so one more time. I go into the same stitch, I do a normal single crochet. Now I go into the reverse stitch. So the stitch on the back here, behind, and do a single crochet. So again, I'm going to the stitch behind, pulling it through, and doing a single crochet. So it kind of gets a little twist at the top there as you go. So one more time, go behind, pull it through, and then go wrap and go through both loops. Go behind, pull it through, and I am not very fast at doing this. It feels kind of awkward even for me. Oh, I lost it. To do everything backwards, but it looks very cool, and it's going to give you this twisted edge as you go. So I'll just do a few more to show you. This is a reverse single crochet. In through the back, wrap your string, pull it through, which is a bit tight. Now you have two on your needle, wrap and pull through both. It's hard to see that there are two on your needle because they do get twisted. So we go in through that stitch behind, oh my goodness, in through the stitch behind, wrap it, wrap and pull through, in through the behind stitch, wrap, pull through both. Let's see, if I just do a few without talking, maybe they will be smoother. Okay, and then we will get this look. So here is what my row before looked like, and here is with the reverse single crochet on top. Thanks for watching. Happy stitching.